How to get banned from every hotel.
People on second floor, they were fighting in the hallway. I think they seemed intoxicated.
Yeah, alrighty. Did they explain to you what's going on?
It's that lady. We came here, literally just came.
Yeah, Atlanta PD.
She already was on some type of time. I don't know what type of time she was on. We just came here.
When do y'all check out?
Tomorrow.
Whatever policy they have on the scene, you guys violated the policy.
No, it's so crazy. We just literally just walked in. Before they say anything, I don't know what they called judges for.
Whatever policy it was, I guess they say y'all were smoking and
We was not even here.
Okay, so just give us 1 second, all right, to explain.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, no,
it's not just the smoking. I guess it's the.
Bro, she's just yelling, and that is a. You're gonna hear that's why this dude's just standing there. Like, you guys are screaming. I'm gonna sit here and watch like what's going on, because I would too. You don't get to yell in my, you paid for the night for this thing or whatever. Like, that's not fair.
It's
The back and forth and.
So are they going to give us back everything that we paid for? They're going to give us back a deposit and not everything?
So whatever that would be between you and them.
So she's going to call in this card right now. She's going to cancel everything that we paid for right now. We're going to so everything that we paid for right now so we can go. We're going to get another hotel. We out.
Bro, you're not gonna beat them to it. I mean, they're clearly not gonna give you your money back. There's no way you're getting money back if they don't want you to do that. You have to follow their rules. I mean, all the hotel ones are like that.
We out.
Maybe it's not so common knowledge because I'm in Vegas from Vegas, so I know hotels pretty well. I think a lot of places don't have as many hotel-motel situations. They're just gonna go back to being a disturbance. Oh my god.
So the young lady that was with us, she has her own room, I'm assuming? Does she need to get anything?
Yeah.
Okay.
She might come over 1 second.
Okay, all right, yeah, no worries.
You had no. And you just teased that for you to get
Hey.
I'm so sorry. I don't know.
Oh, I'd be so irritated if I was like the room over. I would have to leave the room. You just gotta go do something, cause oh man. And then just the sound of it going from another room, I feel like is worse than you being in the same room.
What she got going just right now? We just got kicked out because we were chicken.
Hey, listen.
Does he ever be allowed or anything? Where did that come from? Yo, where does that come from? Yo, the cops is here, we out, girl. We out. Where did that come from? Where does that come from? Get your bag so we go. Get your bag so we can go, girl. Get your bag so we can go.
We can't stay here all day, unfortunately.
I'm so sorry. I'm out.
You hear what I'm saying?
Where did this bag come from? Mother, give me a name.
You said,
What is she yapping about? I said the same thing a million times. Who cares about the bag? Get the hell out the room. There's a
name's
cop right
Kayla?
there.
That's not my name.
What's your
Where
name?
does this bag come from? Jada. Where did this bag come from?
It's Kiki.
Where does
Okay.
this bag come from?
Kiki,
Jada is my name. Like I said.
whatever your name
Where
is.
does this bag come from?
We need you guys too.
Y'all want to stay here? Y'all stay here.
All right.
Why be like that? I don't get it. I don't understand. Like, that doesn't get you anything. It just causes more problems for you. I don't know. I just don't understand. Like, what? It's just you're that angry? Like, you're just really upset? So you're responding that way? I don't know.
Good. We're fine.
Okay.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna it up and I get yeah, right there, I get it. I'm gonna get like shit.
All right. Well, hang up.
No rush.
All right, so we could discuss this outside, like I said. All right, so let's get moving then, because at this point, you guys are refusing to leave by just sitting
Now he's gonna throw you out and you're gonna lose half your stuff. It's not, I mean,
there and talking. All right, so let's get moving. Let's get
Relax.
moving.
I'm from New York.
Let's get moving. I don't care where you're from.
Okay. Let me pack my shit up. Y'all come out.
I'm from Vermont, so you actually can't talk to me like that.
Let's get moving. Let's get moving.
Relax.
You got her stuff. You walk outside with it.
Yours is second, right?
All right, you because you don't have.
It's always the craziest woman that the guy that's with her is just like super chill, and he's just like, this happens, man. I don't know. You just have to wait it out.
Have anything in the room? I can't just have you say.
She's in the room because she with me.
Okay.
But she over here being racist. They've been being racist all day. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah, not getting it at all.
Oh, you guys are screaming, and then you aren't listening at all, or like being nice with him at all. And he probably don't even want to be there taking you out. I mean, you're interrupting his day.
Just call the corporate.
No, beyond. That's why I just said I'm calling corporate right now. That's what she just did. She just walked up here trying to get y'all because I just told her I'm calling corporate.
That's fine.
That's all she just did.
You
Cause
can
just
still
said I'm
call
calling corporate because
Yeah.
she just said I can walk it upstairs.
You're
So I
fine.
just let her go.
My joking, my joking. I gave you my bag and I'm gonna.
No, I did not. I did not.
Hey, you were supposed to come in? No, we're done playing
That's
that
gonna
game.
take
We're not
forever.
playing, hey, you were supposed to come up here.
No, we get
Grab
that.
the stuff.
Relax, we get that stuff. It's right here. It's right here.
Come on, son. We're not doing this.
Put the money on the counter.
I wasn't here. I
Grab your stuff
wasn't here. I
and let's
wasn't
go.
here.
So how did the
Just
money
listen to
end
me
up on the counter though?
Listen to me real quick.
No sense.
I just did that.
Oh, they're just totally ignoring them. I'd be so irritated.
I just did that.
Go with the money.
I don't know who did that.
We're gonna start getting arrested. People are gonna start getting arrested. You wanna get arrested? Let's go. Let's go.
Who put the money on the counter? It's money on the counter.
At this point.
That's what I'm saying. Who put the money on the counter? That's
Bro, if I was like the hotel person, I'd be pissed. I'd be like, bro, we called the cops like 15 minutes ago and they're still up there screaming. I'm still getting calls. People are yapping too loud and stuff. I'd be so mad. I'd be like, I asked you guys to come here, taser, and then go. I mean, what are we wasting our time for?
I'm trying to get all my stuff. Y'all bugging.
No, y'all are bugging.
No, it's that.
You
I just came in here. I just came in here just to come
You're
in
supposed
because
to
it's not
come
me.
get your stuff,
My stuff
but
is
you
out.
come in
My
here to
stuff
argue.
been out. I've been trying to help. This my sister and my brother, so I'm helping them. Would
So
you help your
let-
brother and your sister?
Bro, it's always just the yap, like wait, so that you can't get a word in because, and then they hit it with a narrative defense at the end. Like, oh, so would you help them? Like, if everybody's gonna say yes, that doesn't mean you're right about the situation.
You would though.
Get your
But
stuff.
you would help your brother and your sister.
can wait
That's
outside.
it. I'm trying to
You
help
don't
them.
have
That's it.
anything?
No, I do.
You don't have
No.
anything else
This is
in
my
there?
room. This is my room. It's my name. My name is Flowers.
room is
So I
no
had
longer
yes it is. I'm telling you, give me back my money. Yes it is. That's it. I'm telling you, give me back my money. I'm trying to get all my sister's stuff. That's it. That's all.
Take her down, bro.
Can you walk outside, please?
I ain't take no.
I know what you're
Put
saying.
the money on the counter. That's what I'm saying. Who put the money? Who put
Bro, who gives a fuck? What's wrong with these people? They're all like high.
the
That's
money
the last
on
time
the
I say. You need to listen to me
counter?
right now.
That's what I'm
If you
telling you.
not walk out the store right now, you're getting arrested.
Yo, in my other bag.
Put the money on the counter.
No, I'm trying to get my bag. I'm trying to. Yes, I am, bro.
Let's go.
I'm trying to get my
You're
bag.
going to go with
I have a duffel bag. I have a duffel bag.
Why you touching me? Don't touch me.
Hey, put your hands behind your back.
Why you touching me though?
Therefore, let us get
I mean, that would be the rewarding part about being a cop, right? You get to finally be like, you know, like now I've asked you too many times. I'm taking you out now. Like that. I mean, that part would be fun. Let's
one more. Stay back. Stay back.
get carried away though. I mean, that's just ridiculous. It wouldn't be awesome if you weren't like right in doing it. And that's where it becomes like a mess and everything. So no, not every cop's good, but
Stay back.
I didn't do anything but want my stuff from on the bag.
You're going to jail. No. Y'all are done.
Stay back.
Y'all are done.
From New York, bro.
Put your hands behind your back.
Stop resisting. What are you doing?
Not resisting though. Why y'all doing all this though? Can somebody?
get this on my vlog. What's the thumbnail gonna be?
Get this on my vlog! Get this on my vlog! Get this on my vlog! My phone is under the bed. Get that
Why would you want to show everybody that you got arrested for being like a lunatic?
on my vlog. My phone is under the bed, bro. My phone is there. Record that. Give me a bag. Drop your bag. Why you touching me? Stop.
You're leaving right now.
Don't touch nobody.
We're done. We're done.
We're
We're done.
Get out of here. I'm not leaving.
You want to go to jail too?
No, I'm looking for my money.
There it is. Go to jail too.
I'm not going to jail. No.
Yeah, bro, he pushed it way too far. I feel like he went unchecked for way too long. You gotta power
What are you
him.
doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Right now, you violating trespassing.
No, we were camping. Right now.
No, but can I walk my
Let's go.
No.
Get out of the room now.
Shut the f up.
Stop. No, I'm not stuck back there. Believe them. That's what y'all believe them. Let us get our stuff. Bring
Let's go.
Hey, touch me.
Let's go.
Don't touch me.
Get our stuff. Relax. Like, I need to
Ooh. Ooh, that's exactly what I was waiting for. Holy sh, that was perfect.
Oh.
Hey, grab her. Grab her.
You stay over here. You stay over here. Stay over here.
Why are you doing all that extra? Yo, give me your phone. Give me your phone, chicken. Give me your phone. Stop.
I got more for you.
Hey, she's going to. She's going to.
Is he like fine with it because she's also going to jail? What is wrong with these people?
Y'all getting sued. Y'all getting sued. I need to go try.
Get out the hotel room, bro. What are y'all trying to do nothing? I can't breathe. No, bro,
I gotta go to the hospital. I can't breathe. I already got lost in that time.
I feel like it's the worst thing to say something like that, like, and it's not actually true, because then they're not going to believe you when you are saying that and it is true. I feel like that's super dangerous territory.
I just did that.
Stop resisting.
I'm not.
Stop resisting.
No, I'm not. You know I'm not.
Alright, put him in the car. Put him in the car.
I just came here.
They're just going to be screaming.
And I just told them I just came here to tell them to stop. This is what y'all doing to me?
Relax already.
My pants are slipping. You want me to be naked? Like, do you want me to be naked? I'm putting on my pants. You want to put on my pants for me? Let's put on my pants.
I'm good. I'm in this for
That
them.
looks like a condom or something, not a baggie.
You good? Have a seat in the car.
I gotta go to the hospital though.
You good?
I'm pulling
You're
my
good.
pants off the road, y'all.
Get her in the car.
Put my sister pants up.
Get her in the car.
What's the charge? Excuse me.
What's the charge?
What's the charge?
Bro, they're not going to get any of their stuff now. It's all going to be gone. What a stupid move. And then you're going to go back with a charge on your record, too. So good luck getting a job if you had one. Wow.
Human?
You got the right.
Can I have my rights as a human?
I did 1014. I work on the 1014, but trust me, hurt me. Yeah.
Listen. I just came to help somebody, bro. You know you just grabbed me up like that. You know what you just did to me.
Yeah.
You know what you just did to me. You and your whole friend. You know what you
Who's this? Who's the third girl?
just did to me. Your whole partner. You know what you just did to me. And I ain't have nothing to do with it. And you get it. Yeah, this can hurt. Can you untie it or something? Like, damn.
Imagine your friends try to take you on a vacation and then you're like, oh, we can't stay at that hotel. I'm actually banned from every one of them. Oh my god.
Like, I'm not, like, damn. I can't. Like, put me the up or something. The you talking about? If you're gonna up, like, this can hurt. This fucking hurt. Pick me up from my hands or something. The you talking about? Like, I'm crazy right now, bro.
And ask them to transpass all of them permanently. It's also good to remember that when the couple were here, two of them came downstairs and to threaten me.
Perfect.
Listen.
Wow, I bet they were like ridiculous people to deal with.
Tell you.
Listen.
Calm.
Regardless of whatever happened over there, okay?
See, they did my face.
At the end of the day, you're going to jail, okay?
I know that.
Okay.
So that
Bro, if you're speaking to somebody and they can't even for 2 sentences or 1 sentence, this guy for half of 1 sentence, if they can't let you finish your thought, don't even bother with them. They're most likely an NPC or their brain has rotted to the point where they're an NPC. So, one or the other. Just don't even bother.
me, at the end of the day, I know I'm going to judge on me. At the end of the day, I know I have to talk to nobody. I follow a cop. I don't think they know that.
It doesn't matter.
It matters a lot because they violated me for no reason.
It would be a lot better if you told us your name.
Dude, he's high. He's like drunk or high or something. He seems high to me. So, wow. Anyway, I feel like we kind of know what happened here. It was a pretty good one. I mean, you never get a bad one with mid-bus safety. So, yeah.